or not those, but replacing these, because it might not be inherently obvious. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Okay. I had it on manual. These are starting to get a lip. And by starting to get a lip, they have a lip. And my pads are worn down pretty good. So it's about time we did a little upgrade. What we have over here are some Redstuff pads, because I'm not too crazy on the streets, so I don't need crazy braking. And some slotted rotors, because they look cool. I'm only going to be doing the rotors in the front, because the rear rotors seem to be just fine. No lip. But we're doing the pads all around. So I guess let's get started. How's that view? Looks pretty trash. How's that view? Still looks pretty trash. That's as good as it gets. Okay. See if I can get that lip on camera. Looks like you'll just have to trust me. But yeah, brake fade on these guys is pretty bad right now. So I'll just go ahead and get started disassembling these rotors and pads and whatnot. You get the drill. Let me make sure this is a good view first. Okay. I don't know where to put this. Right here, maybe. Right on top of the jack. Sure. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now it looks like there's a little life left on these pads, but that's best that we change them out now. Actually, yeah. There's no life left. Let me get these out, and I'll make sure you guys can see them better. Get a zip tie for this, so I'm not snagging the ABS with the brake fluid. Let that guy chill there. So this is the inside one. Basically no life left. I mean, a little bit, but we're cutting it close. This is the outside one, which is absolute garbage. Look at that. Oh, looks like I just have the fronts. That's okay. Yeah. I'm glad I got around to doing this. Right side. No, this is the left side. Freaking stupid. I need a place to set this down. Okay. Free stickers. I'm going to put them on my rotors. So these rotors have a black coating on them, so they don't need to be sprayed down with a brake clean, because this will just wear off and then create just a one spot where it wears instead of having this whole thing exposed. Okay, cool. That came off relatively easy. Stick this guy on there. Oh, that looks much better. Okay, I guess I get the breaker bar out. Alright, how many Ugga-Duggas do we need? Uh-oh, it's raining. It won't stop me though, I guess. I mean, it might. It's only like several days later. Not even, maybe like 2 weeks, right? Somewhere around there. Since I did the front brakes. I need to do this quick. Hey, keep the new lip. I need to do this quick because 1, it is raining, and 2, I need to go grocery shopping. At the time of this recording, it is April 4th, and we are well into the whole pandemic thing. And we need toilet paper because everybody else bought it all. So yeah, that's a slight issue. I need to get my jack serviced. It is going off the deep end. I wish I had a better stand for this. Maybe my wheel. My $1,600 stand right here might work. Go. There's still a little bit of pad life left. It's not too bad, but you know, it's one of those while I'm here, might as well kind of deals. Look at these tiny little things. I have big thumbs. I have big hands in general, but like, it's not that big. Cool. Cool. Sick tricks. Okay. I have not done this before. I just have a basic understanding of changing out brake pads. So it can't be that bad. So we have these shims. There's also these things. Goes on one of them, but where? Okay, so I'm just lining it up with the old one. Looks like this clips on just like that. So it has this little ring right here, which means that it was up against the piston. So that means this one goes on this side. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and get some lube on this thing. And also put one of these in place just like that. I'm very generous with this stuff since I'm given a lot of it. Probably would behoove me to get a little bit on these. Whoa. A little bit on these end pieces. This should help with seizing and noise. One pad down. This one's going to be easier. And then this is going to sit like this. So we're going to put lube right here and a little bit more right here so that it sits right there. I'm sorry, like this. And let's not forget to put some on our edges here. Just like that, we're good. This needs to be pressed back in. Stay tuned while I come up with a solution for that. Should I open the cap for the brake fluid? Would that make a difference? Oh shoot, that's a sticky back. Your boy is an idiot. One second. Okay, wipe this off. Okay, it's getting there. These slippers are not grippy enough. Ah, just like that. We are set. Put that back on there. Okay. I was supposed to get a GoPro this weekend to make this a little bit easier instead of having to do a whole song and dance of like having to make sure you guys are set up on something that you can see. Although this is probably something that you already know how to do. You don't really need to see. But whatever. Whatever. I want to get a GoPro soon though. I want content to be a lot easier to watch. And just like that, you have changed your rear pads.